here is how you can reset everything on the iPhone. Let me explain it. If you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So if you open up your settings and find the general section, at the bottom you're going to notice transfer or reset iPhone menu. And if I click on it to get inside a bunch of different things. So right here we have the reset button, and if I click on it, it's going to give me a bunch of different ways I can reset my phone. So this includes resetting location and privacy, as you could tell, resetting home screen layout, handwriting style, keyboard dictionary, and so on. So it heavily depends on what you're trying to reset. So you could be resetting just the network settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connections, or if you reset all of the settings, your iPhone will go back to the factory state for settings, but none of the data will be gone. All of the photos, all of the documents, contacts, whatever else is going to be kept on the phone. So you're not losing anything if you reset it through this. However, if you, instead of clicking reset, tap on erase all content and settings, that is a different story, because as you can see right here, 110 gigabytes worth of data will be deleted, your Apple account will be signed out, and Find My network will be unlocked and removed. So depends on what the goal is. If you are, for example, trying to sell the iPhone or wipe it clean for some reason, this is the option you would go with. So yeah, that's how you can reset everything on the iPhone. It depends on which degree you want to take it to, but that's all I wanted to explain. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this subject below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.